Right now, y'all watching Cooking with Squaddy. Honey curry chicken barbecue wings, you heard? Like some just creative shit. Alright, so look, let me show you how I'm doing this. Got my chicken right here, you heard? I boil it in the pot. That's to clean it, defrost it, all that good shit. Multiple birds murdered in one stone. Big ass bowl. Some lemon juice. Got some curry powder. Little adobe, you heard? For everything. Some soul food seasoning. I'm freestyling too, by the way. That's what they call some dry rub, you heard? I'm gonna dig in here now. I'm taking my one at a time. We just gonna season them. A lemon, you heard? I already got one used. Don't mind that. Alright, boom, y'all see these wings? I got some fresh oil, right? Cause mind you, I want it to be fried a little. Barbecue that bitch. Barbecue that bitch heavy, you heard? Hey, look at this chicken, y'all. Now this bitch crunchy and shit. This is what it looks like inside the pan. We'll turn on the oven real quick. 390.
In 45 minutes to an hour, you got some Squvddy wings.